Something that can add a little style, as well as help you control the temperature of your apartment, is the addition of curtains to your windows. They're quite easy to install, and generally the only tools you would need are a screwdriver or drill, possibly some drywall anchors. The curtain rods will generally come with all their own hardware. We have two different types of curtain rods, the traditional white one on the left and the black tension rod on the right. Lastly, of course, you will need whichever curtain you think would spice up your unit best. Starting with the black tension rod, you want to make sure that you put the curtain on the rod before placing the rod on the window. Generally, you can remove one side of the rod to slide the curtain on, and then after replacing the cap on the rod, you can unscrew and extend the rod to fit the dimensions of your window. You'll see stickers with arrows that we use to tighten the rod and make the other small adjustments that make this specific style curtain rod adaptable to most windows and easy to remove. The more traditional style rod requires a bit more installation. You can see us screwing in the first screw of the anchor to the wall, making sure that the anchor remains straight while we're tightening. While installing the anchor on the other side, you may want to make sure that your curtains are level by taking some measurements to make sure that they're all the same distance from the top of the window. You will once again place the curtain on the rod by splitting the curtain into two pieces, and after sliding the curtain rod back together with the curtain attached, you'll simply clip each side of the curtain rod into the anchors. And that's it. You have added some privacy, made it easier to control the temperature of your apartment, and you've definitely added some extra style to your unit. Thanks for watching.